Hi, and welcome to Leslie's Hot Tub Tips. I'm Rick with today's topic, Hot Tub Care 101. You'll be happy to know hot tub care doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, keeping a clean, well-balanced hot tub is simple. However, hot tubs go through chemicals quicker due to the heat and aeration, so they require a little additional care and attention. Some of the things you'll need will be a sanitizer such as chlorine, bromine, or a mineral stick, shock, enzymes, some water balancing chemicals, and either a test kit or test strips. So, first things first. If you've got a spa connected to your pool, then you know what I'm going to talk about here won't apply to you because you're sanitizing your spa water with your pool water. Now, if you've got an above ground spa or an in-ground spa that isn't connected to your pool, then you've come to the right place. So first, let's talk about sanitizing your hot tub. There's a few different ways to go about it. You can use chlorine, you can use bromine, or you can even use a mineral stick. There are differences between all of them. Your bromine and mineral sticks are going to be the most popular because there's less odor in comparison to just using chlorine tabs in a floater. Remember, when you're in a hot tub, that you're sitting just above the surface of the water, and when it's warm, you get that vapor. So you want to make sure your chemicals are properly balanced so you're enjoying the spa instead of smelling the spa. So no matter what type of sanitizer you're using, there's one thing you need to remember. You still need to shock your pool with a chlorine shock and a chlorine-free shock. So even if you're using bromine or a mineral stick, you're going to want to shock once a week with a chlorine-based shock. And after you're done using the spa, you'll always want to make sure to use a non-chlorine shock. That's really important. Remember, you're dealing with warm water. Warm water that's 100 to 104 degrees. So you want to make sure to keep that properly sanitized to kill bacteria. It's also important to make sure every week you use some type of enzyme. Remember, the water in a hot tub is really warm, so using an enzyme is going to break down all the oils and organics and cosmetics from using the spa. So it's important to use something like that once a week. So those are really some of your core products. Next, you always want to make sure that you test your water weekly. So you can do that a few different ways. You can bring in a sample of water to your local Leslie's. They'll test it for free and give you a customized treatment plan specifically for your hot tub. Or you can use test strips or a liquid test kit. Now, using either of these, if you want to make it really simple, download our app. Once you have the results from the test strips or your liquid test kit, you just go ahead and punch those into the app and they're going to give you specific recommendations for your hot tub. So let's talk about cleaning your hot tub. Whether it's an in-ground hot tub or an above-ground hot tub, you want to make sure that you keep dirt and debris out of there. You can use a battery-powered vacuum or a skimmer to make sure you keep all that dirt and debris out of there. You also want to make sure that you're cleaning your cartridges often and replacing them as needed. But always refer to your manufacturer's manual because the schedule for cleaning and replacing may differ from hot tub to hot tub. You really want to make sure that you drain it every 3 to 4 months and wipe down the surface of the hot tub. That's important to make sure it stays sanitary. To take your hot tub experience to the next level, try using a fragrance. You'll enjoy the way it smells, and some of them even have softeners to make it feel nice on your skin. Caring for your hot tub can feel like one more thing at first, but with these simple steps, you'll be enjoying your hot tub in no time at all. And after this video, if your hot tub is still a hot mess, you can visit our blog or stop into your local Leslie's store. We're always here to help. Thanks for joining me for Leslie's Hot Tub Tips.